Hey guys, today we learn about the important concept in aptitude that is time and work. So we'll start from basics. So consider there is a work to construct a wall. If a person named Ravi can complete this whole work in 2 days, then his 1 day work మనకు ఇక్కడ ఒక వాల్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసే వర్క్ ఒకటి ఉంది. రవి అనే పర్సన్ ఈ హోల్ వాల్ని ఈ కంప్లీట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ని 2 డేస్లో కంప్లీట్ చేయగలడు అనుకుంటే 1 డేలో తను ఎంత ఫినిష్ చేయగలడు? ఆబ్వియస్లీ అందులో హాఫ్, రైట్? ఇఫ్ అనదర్ పర్సన్ రాజు కెన్ కంప్లీట్ దిస్ హోల్ వర్క్ ఇన్ 4 డేస్లో చేస్తే అతని 1 డే వర్క్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 1/4, రైట్? దీన్ని 4 పార్ట్స్ డివైడ్గా చేస్తే 1 2 3 4 రాజు అనే పర్సన్ ఈ హోల్ వర్క్ని 4 డేస్లో చేస్తే 1 డేలో ఈ 1 పార్ట్, సెకండ్ డేకి ఇక్కడి వరకు ఫినిష్ చేస్తాడు, థర్డ్ డేకి ఈ 3 పార్ట్స్, ఫోర్త్ డేకి కంప్లీట్ చేయగలడు, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ in time and work, that is, if a person can complete a work in n number of days, then his 1 day work will be 1 by n. That's it. Let's see some examples. If person A can do a work in 7 days, then his 1 day work is 1 by 7, right? If person B can do a work in 8 days, let's say 10 days, then his 1 day work is 1 by 10. If person let's say Kiran can work, that means Kiran's 1 day work, Kiran 1 day work is 1/5 అవుతాయి. Then he can complete the whole work in 5 days. Let's see another concept in time and work, that consider if we have to construct 6 walls. There are 6 walls. This is the whole work. If this work owner or say constructor, he went to some laborers A and B, then he asked A, and A said that he can complete the whole work in 3 days, and B said he needs 6 days. That means in 1 day, how many walls A can construct? For 6 walls he need 3 days. In 1 day he can construct 2 walls. But here B, if B needs 6 days for 6 walls, then in 1 day he can construct one wall only. So the work done by A and B, A and B, that is nothing but their capacities. The capacities to do a work in one day. A 2 walls, B 1 wall. That is nothing but the work done by A and B are in the ratio of 2:1. Then the time taken by A and B to complete the whole work. It took 3 days. A took 3 days, B took 6 days. That is nothing. Persons work done by are in the ratio of x is to y, then time taken to complete the work is y is to x. Basic problems. The problem 1, if Ravi can do a piece of work in 8 days and Raju can complete the same work in 5 days, in how many days will both of them together complete it? So let's say solution. If Ravi can do a piece of work in 5 days, that means Ravi can complete a piece of work in 8 days, and Raju can do the same work, can finish the same work in 5 days. Here, so if Ravi can complete the whole work in 8 days, then his 1 day work will be 1 by 8. If Raju can complete the whole work in 5 days, then his 1 day work will be 1 by 5. So, and what he's asking, in how many days will both of them together complete it? If Ravi and Raju, both of them together are working in a day, then the total work is, his 1 day work will be 1 by 8, his 1 day work will be 1 by 5, then we'll get 40, then 8 plus 5 will get 13 by 40. Right, this is the 1 day work. So let's say, now let's assume both of them took x number of days. To complete the whole work, that is ఒక్క రోజులో in one day they complete 13 by 40 days. Then in x number of days they took 13 by 40 into x days to complete the whole work. So the number of days x is equals to 40 by 13. That is x is equals to, it's almost approximately 3 days. A and B together complete piece of work in 50 days, and B alone in 20 days. In how many days can A alone complete work? A and B together can complete a piece of work in 15 days. B alone in 20 days. So B alone can complete the whole work in 20 days. then his 1 day work will be 1 by 20. And what is he asking? In how many days can A alone complete the whole work? Let's assume A can complete the whole work in X days. Then his 1 day work will be 1 by X. So together can complete a piece of work in 15 days. So we have given 15 days together. A plus B together can complete a work in 15 days. And together then their 1 day work will be 1 by 15. So both of them are working in the same day. So B's 1 day work plus A's 1 day work is equals to together's 1 day work. That is equals to 20x is equals to x plus 20 is equals to 1 by 15. So 20 by 4x is equals to 1 by 3. X plus 20 is equals to 4x by 3. Let's take this 3 to here, this side. So that's 3x plus 60 is equals to 4x. Then 60 is equals to 4x. Let's take this 3 to this side and then 3x. Then 60 is equals to 1x. So x is equals to 60. So that means A can complete the whole work in 60 days. Now, the problem is A alone can complete a piece of work. Work of is 300 in 6 days. But by giving an assistant, the work is completed in 4 days only. Find the share to be equals 0 by the assistant. So let's A can complete the whole work in 6 days. Then his 1 day work will be 1 by 6. And we don't know about assistant. Let's say assistant 1 day work will be X days. Assistant can complete the whole work in X days. Then his 1 day work will be 1 by X. Now both of them working together and complete the whole work in 4 days. Both of them, A and his assistant, complete the whole work in 4 days. Then the both of them's 1 day work will be 1 by 4. So that means x plus 6 by 6x is equals to 1 by 4. That is equals to, let's take this 3 to this side and 2 to this side. That's 2 6, 2 into x 2x, and then 2 into 6 is equals to 12 is equals to 3. Then 3x, then 12 is equals to, let's take this 2 to this side, then 3x minus 2x, then 1x is equals to 12. Means assistant can complete the whole work in 12 days. So we have to divide the amount based on their working capacity. Assistant can complete the whole work in 12 days, and his 1 day work will be 1 by 12. So the LCM is 12, and here 2 and here 1. So we have to divide the amount into 2:1 ratio. If they can complete the whole work, the time taken to complete the whole work of A and assistant is 6 and 12, then their working capacity will be 12 into 6, that is 6, 2:1. So we have to divide the amount 300 in the ratio of 2:1. That is 300 by, we have to divide the amount into, first we have to divide the amount into 3 parts. One part is equals to 100, then 2 parts is equals to 200, then this one pot is equals to 100. That's assistant get 100 rupees and A get 200 rupees.